In this video, we're going to look at the top 3 budget drones available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 3 best budget drones. If you want to pay the lowest possible price that'll still fetch you a solid product, we say check out the Holy Stone HS100, the best ultra-cheap budget drone on the market in 2022. This model comes in the almost ready-to-fly mode, which means you only have to attach the propellers before flying. This is the standard for many high-quality drones with cameras, in order to save space and packaging, and protect sensitive equipment from damage during transport. For cost reasons, the Holy Stone HS100 doesn't have any thrust props like the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, meaning you have to put a screw on every designated engine section. But don't fret, the whole thing takes about 1 minute for each propeller, and the direction of rotation of the propeller is also clearly indicated by A and B marks. Even on longer distances, the signal remains strong. You can say that the wind is a challenge, but GPS positioning provides the needed correction. After approximately 10 minutes of use, the battery reaches a critically low level, and a battery warning appears. To charge 25 mAh LiPo batteries from approximately 10 to 100%, you need about 4 hours via USB connection. With automatic launch, the Holy Stone HS100 works really well. The drone takes off slowly and stays in air about 3 feet above the ground. Automatic height retention does its job well, thanks to GPS positioning. In official tests, the HS of 1280 by 720 pixels. Just like videos, the camera has an extremely wide-angle lens, with a field of view of 120 degrees. The camera itself is attached to a 1-axis card and shaft, and can be moved vertically with the remote control. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. The second product on our list is the SANROCK U52 drone. This drone is equipped with a 1080p camera and a 90-degree adjustable angle, while the pictures and videos are automatically saved on a micro SD card, which can be directly connected to your phone or tablet for quick uploads to social media. We like that the drone can perform 360-degree flips or rolls for even more fun. The SANROCK U52 has an automatic hover mode for great high-altitude aerial shots. Motion control will also provide the user with more controlled pictures. Another unique feature is a custom route can also be controlled on your phone if you wish for a direct path for your drone to fly. If the battery is low, or you are getting too far away, no worries. The SANROCK will alert you, then simply hit the home button. Only one battery comes with the drone, but more can be purchased if you wish to have that extra time for videos and pictures on the road. Each battery lasts roughly 13 minutes but requires 200 minutes to recharge. The live video transmission range is 96 feet, however, the maximum flight range is a much better 328 feet. Both beginners and professionals will find the SANROCK U52 easy to control. With the option of 2 speeds and attachable guards, the SANROCK U52 is even safer for adults and children to use. Its pros are, it is lightweight and compact for travel, it's decent connection range, and it is easy to use. However, it only has 720p video resolution. The SANROCK U52 drone is user-friendly and great for having a good time, making cool videos with friends and family. Finally, we have reached the long-awaited gold medal, and the title of the best overall budget drone available on the market in 2022. And the winner is DJI Mini 2. This model has retained the compact and lightweight form of the Mavic Mini, weighing just 8.78 ounces. This allows the Mini 2 to continue to circumvent Federal Aviation Administration regulations that require drones weighing 8.8 ounces grams or more to be registered. But while the Mini 2 may look very similar to the previous Mavic Mini, a lot is happening under the hood, making it an even more attractive option, including new 4K shooting capabilities and the adoption of AquaSync 2.0 transmission technology. With a KaiSync 2.0, the maximum transmission range of the Mini 2 has been increased to 6.2 miles, an increase of 150% compared to the Mavic Mini. Battery life has also been slightly improved, and now reaches 31 minutes instead of 30 minutes, thanks to improved engines. These new, more powerful and efficient engines are also responsible for enabling the Mini 2 to withstand crosswinds of up to 24 miles per hour. Another great addition to the Mini 2 is that support for 4K 30 FPS videos at 100 megabytes per second has finally arrived. DJI also promotes 4x zoom at 1080p, 3x zoom at 2.7K, and 2 times zoom at 4K, in addition to saving photos in the required JPEG format. RAW is now supported. The lightweight design made the Mini too easy to pick up and take with you on the go. As for the videos and photo quality, there is nothing to complain about for this price. The picture quality is roughly what you would expect from the included CMOS sensor, but DJI now gives you the ability to record JPEG plus RAW, which is a big plus. The camera is stabilized by an excellent 3-axis card and shaft, which was generally smooth in operation. Overall, this device delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.